Hello everyone, my name is Pavan and you're watching RM India Hair YouTube channel. I hope you all are staying healthy and safe. Today I have come up with a great news to share with all our admin hair viewers. No offense, it was real hard to make this happen in this COVID-19 pandemic, but thankfully with the grace of God and our team continuous efforts make this a reality. I'm very excited to tell you that we have finally inaugurated our new warehouse in Houston, Texas, USA. So that means you can get your natural hair extensions, lace closures, lace frontals and wigs at your doorstep with minimal delivery time in USA. Additionally, I would like to add that you can visit our warehouse and purchase with the availability of stock. So hurry up and place your order right away with rmindiahair.com, or you can WhatsApp us at 9555 331300. Thank you.